Hello, and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to save any article using the Wikipedia app on your Android phone. Whether you want to read offline or keep important information handy, this step-by-step guide will help you create your own saved reading list in no time. First, open the Wikipedia app on your Android phone. Next, use the search bar or browse through topics to open the article you want to save. Then, look at the bottom of the screen and tap on the Save icon. This will prompt an option to add the article to a reading list. After that, click on Add to List. If you haven't created any lists yet, you'll need to make one. Now, enter a name for your list when prompted, and tap OK to confirm. Once saved, go back to the home screen of the app and tap on Saved. You'll see the list you just created. Finally, open that list to view the article you saved. You can now read it anytime, even offline. And that's it. Now you know how to easily save Wikipedia articles on your Android phone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more useful tech tips.